What's up guys, this is Viraj and welcome back on my YouTube channel with a new video guys. So guys, without wasting time, let's start the video. So today in this video I am going to tell you about informal contractions. Okay, so in this chapter of today we will talk about informal contractions. So first of all we will understand that informal contractions, what it is. Okay, first of all, before understanding informal contraction, we will understand that contraction, what it is. Okay, contraction are those when we combine two words and make one. For example, he plus is his, she plus is his, they plus are they are. So the contraction are used generally in spoken English. So whoever speaks in fluent English, so that person uses this contraction because it's made a fluent English. Okay. So in today's lesson, we are going to learn that what is informal contraction. So informal contraction, for example, gonna, wanna, gotta, kinda, lemmy, and gimme. Okay, so what words are these contractions made of? So what words are made of by adding, and what is their correct pronunciation? How will we use them in sentence? So we will learn this today in this lesson. So let's go ahead and see next. First of all, we will start from wanna. So wanna, which two words are made up of? So first of all, we will understand this. Wanna, it is made want plus a. When I have to say that I want a, or I want plus 2. So then you can use wanna. And we can understand this better with some sentences. Now you see the first sentence. The first sentence written in the sentence, do you want a cup of tea? If we replace with wanna, so then do you want a cup of tea? Yes, do you want a cup of tea? So guys, you can see differences between both sentences, want or wanna. Okay. Second sentence is, do you want to come with me? And if we replace with wanna, so it will be, do you wanna come with me? Yes, do you wanna come with me? And you can say, do you wanna join me? So in this way you will use wanna. Okay guys, it's very important to understand a few things before going to next contractions. Yes guys, you cannot use these contractions at the correct speech, I mean correct spoken English you cannot use. And you cannot use this sentence to writing, but if you want to talk with your friends on WhatsApp or SMS, then you can use. And it is used in generally in casual communication. Casual communication means with friends, and you can use it when you're talking with your friends. Okay, if you see these contractions, so it is quite common in American English or American movies. Hope guys you are getting my points. Now let's go ahead and see next word. So next word is gimme. Yes, gimme. It is made up of give plus me. So if I have to say give me, so then I can say gimme. Yes, gimme. So let's see some example so that we can understand, right? First example is give me your pen. Yes, give me your pen. And you can say give me a pen. So second example is don't give me that answer. Yes, don't give me that answer. Okay. Next example is, can you give me a hand? Yes, can you give me a hand? Hope guys you are getting my points. Now let's go ahead and see next word. Next word is gonna. Yes, gonna. Gonna. It is very common and it is made up of going plus 2. And if I have to say that, I will use gonna. So let's see some example that we can understand. So first example is, nothing's gonna change my love for you. Yes, nothing's gonna change my love for you. Second example is, nothing's gonna change my decision. And third example is, I'm gonna tell you the truth. Yes, I'm gonna tell you the truth. Fourth and last example is, what are you gonna do? Yes, what are you gonna do? Hope guys you are getting my points. Now let's go ahead and see next word. Next word is gotta. Yes, gotta. Guys, it is made up of have plus got plus 2. So let's see some example that we can understand. So first example is, I have gotta go now. Yes, I have gotta go now. Next is, I gotta go now. Guys, you can use with have also. Okay. Number third example is, I gotta book my tickets. Yes, I gotta book my tickets. Number 4 and last example is, I gotta lose my some weight. Yes, I gotta lose my some weight. Hope guys you understand. Now let's go ahead and see next word. Next word is kinda. Yes, kinda. It is made up of kind plus of, and it means more or less. So let's see some example that how we can understand. Okay, so first example is, she is kinda cute. Yes, she is kinda cute. Next is, he's kinda good at that. Yes, he's kinda good at that. And next is they are kind of rich. Yes, they are kind of rich. Fourth and last example is this shirt is kind of new. Yes, this shirt is kind of new. So this is how you can use kinda. Okay, so hope guys you are getting my points. Now let's go ahead and see next word. Next word is lemmy. Yes, lemmy. Lemmy. It is made up of let plus me. So let's see some example that how we can understand. Okay, so first example is let me help you. For example guys, if I say let me help you or let me help you, so guys you can see the difference between both sentence. There is some difference. Okay, second example is let me go now. Yes, let me go now. Hope guys you are getting my points. So let's move to the next example. Next example is let me make my own decision. Yes, let me make my own decision. And last example is let me open the door for you. Yes, let me open the door for you. Hope guys you enjoy this video. If you like it, then please like, comment and share. Okay, once again thank you so much for watching this video guys.